The presence of hundreds of leaders and dignitaries from around the world prompted the New York City Police to mount a very tight security near and at the summit area. Alvin Baltazar filed this report.
At early morning today in New York, many roads have been closed already for the United Nations Climate Change Summit being attended by different world leaders and representatives from all over the globe. Almost every corner of the city near and approaching the United Nations headquarters are being guarded by the New York Police Department or NYPD. Thoroughfares heading towards the event venue likewise are manned by the police force who are tightly securing the vicinity of the United Nations. Authorities also had put up a barricade several steps away from the United Nations headquarters and are thoroughly screening those who are traversing the path to the event area. Even journalists must undergo the required security check before they could enter the UN premises and cover the summit. Reporters are off limits to the event venue itself, and instead, journalists were placed in a media center where they could do their stories. The summit is a part of the effort by various world leaders to prevent the worsening effect of climate change, wherein devastation seemed to be getting more destructive not only in terms of properties but much worse in the number of lives that have been claimed by the very alarming gravity of calamities. Reporting here in New York City for the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.